Android Studio. XML layout. Complete the layout. You now need to add a switch, a button, and a text view to display the tip amount. Add switch to round up tip. Next, you need to use the switch widget to give the user the option to round up the tip. You want the switch to be as wide as the parent, so consider setting the width to match _parent. Setting the width to 0 dp tells the system not to calculate the width and just try to match the constraint set on the view. 1. Add a switch element after the radio groups XM. Set layout _width to 0 dp. Set layout _height to wrap _content. This makes the switch view as tall as the content inside it. 2. Set the ID attributes to @+ID /round _up _switch. Set the text attribute to round up tip. This will be used as the label for the switch. 3. Constrain the switch's start edge to be the parent start edge, and constrain its end edge to the parent's end edge. Constrain the top of the switch to be the bottom of the tip _options. End tag with /greater than. 4. It is best to make the switch on by default, and then use the Android checked attribute. Its possible values are true, on, or false, off. Set the Android checked attribute to true. Add calculate button. Next, you need to add a button so the user can request a tip. You want the button to be as wide as the parent so that its horizontal constraints and width are the same as the switches. 1. Add a button after switch. Set the width to 0 dp in the same way you set the width for the switch. 2. Set height to wrap _content. Give it the resource ID @+ID /calculate _button and the text calculate. 3. Constrain the top edge of the button to the bottom edge of the round up tip switch. 4. Constrain the start edge to be the parent's start edge, and constrain the end edge to the parent's end edge. End tag with /greater than. Add calculation result. In this step, you need to add a text view for the tip calculation result. Place it under the calculate button and align it to the end edge, not the start edge like other UI elements. Add a text view with resource ID tip _result and text tip amount. Constrains the text view's end edge to the parent's end edge. Constrain the top edge to be the bottom edge of the calculate button. Run the app.